makan, ghee and white pepper with salt. Take a pan, put it on the flame, add 3 tablespoons of ghee, wait until it ghee. Now we add Phool Makhana. Mix it well. Now add white pepper with salt. Mix it well again. It will turn into little brown color. Turn off the flame and then take a bowl.
Easy recipe for
Eat and eat yummy.
If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Keep watching my video. It's so hot. Bye bye.